welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. 3 awesome natural disinfectant you might already have. Disinfecting your home with natural, non-toxic cleaners may sound like an overwhelming task, but it's actually surprisingly simple. In fact, the majority of natural disinfectants can be found right in your kitchen and at a fraction of the cost of those harsh chemical cleaners. Natural cleaners are not only better for your health, but are safer for children, animals, and the environment. Number 1. White vinegar. Made from acetic acid and water, white vinegar is a power cleaner, easily cutting through grease and removing mildew, odors, stains, and wax buildup. Thanks to its high acidity, white vinegar reduces surface bacteria, making it a safe alternative to bleach. Vinegar was found to reduce the number of bacteria on a hard surface, although it was less effective than commercial cleaners. Vinegar will work for those who value a safe cleaning method and want to rid their homes of harmful chemicals, but it won't leave surfaces completely bacteria-free. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know. Number 2. Vodka. Because most vodka is 80 proof, or 40% alcohol by volume, it can be used as a disinfectant to remove mold and mildew. Like vinegar, vodka degreases, removes stains, shines fixtures, and refreshes fabric, but without the lingering sour odor. For the most antibacterial power, look for 100 proof vodka, as most store-bought hand sanitizers contain at least 60% alcohol, and let it sit for a few minutes so the alcohol can do its job. And number 3. Hydrogen peroxide. If you ever got a cut on the playground as a kid, you may already know the familiar sting of hydrogen peroxide in action. Since the 1920s, hydrogen peroxide has been used as an antiseptic on cuts because of its ability to kill bacteria by breaking down cell walls. It can also be used to kill mold and remove stains on white clothing. Caution should be taken when cleaning with hydrogen peroxide, as it will bleach colorful fibers and etch the surface of stone over time. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out best tips how to get rid of unwanted odors in your kitchen. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with Ebook. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.